Yeah, it was just a beautiful park, and now it looks like a bomb went off in the middle of it.
Burge Lake is just a short drive from the northern Manitoba town of Lynn Lake.
70, 80 kilometer an hour winds. We had shingles blowing off roofs while we were trying to fight the fire.
The destruction of that subdivision is it's something that's extremely hard to see, and it's, my heart goes out to everybody that lost a home or a cottage out there.
Up in the north where the black spruce stand, 7 clicks out from the new mine land. A spark from a pile the wind did take, and it lit the woods near Burge Lake. The people ran as the smoke rolled in. Homes were lost where their lives had been. 10 million gone in a flash of flame, and the people still wait to come home again. Oh, Burge Lake, your summer's gone. Smoke in the sky from dusk till dawn. A fire that never should have been, left ashes where the green had been. But we'll rise, we'll mend, for heaven's sake. We're stronger than the fire in Burge Lake.
It was all hands on deck, and we fought fire till the sun came up.
The papers say it was negligence, a smoldering pile, no water spent. Alamo swears they followed the rules, but flames don't lie and fire's cruel. Lynn Lake's mayor spoke with a heavy tone. It wasn't the fault of the woods alone. You stir the pile, you cut the guard, but without the water, it will burn hotter than hell. Oh, Burge Lake, your summer's gone. Smoke in the sky from dusk till dawn. A fire that never should have been, left ashes where the green had been. But we'll rise, we'll mend, for heaven's sake. We're stronger than the fire in Burge Lake. From the mine to the camp to the town near, families fled with their grief and fear. But in the dark, hope still survives. We'll bring this small park back to life. Oh, Burge Lake, the trees will grow, the scars will fade beneath the snow. The fire took much, but it won't take all. We'll stand again, we will not fall, and our hearts will heal, come what may. Through the fire that tried to take Burge Lake away.
What message would you like to share with the people of Lynn Lake?
You guys stay safe down here, and we'll do our best to make sure you have something to come back to.
Mr. Mayor, thank you for your time. Our hearts are with you. We're thinking of you and wishing you all the best.
Thank you.